First of all, definition, slope. It is the tangent. It is the tangent of the line. It's the tangent of the line that it makes with positive direction of x-axis. Okay, it's a tangent of the, it is a tangent of the angle that a line makes with the positive direction of x-axis. It is a tangent of the angle that a line makes with the positive direction of x-axis. Say this is your coordinate axis, right? This is the coordinate axis. Say this is the line making an angle of say 30 degree there, 30 degree. Then m, we denote the slope by m is equal to tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3. Okay, this 1 by root 3 is called the slope of the line, slope of this line. Had the line been like this somewhere, okay, like this, or somewhere like this, angle will be taken this. Don't take this angle. If this angle comes out to be say anyhow 120 degree, then slope will be m is equal to tan of 120. 120 is called inclination, 30 is called inclination. Tan of 180 minus 60, you know, minus tan 60 means minus root 3. Minus root 3 is the slope. Now you know range of tan theta, this tan theta जो angle बना रही है वो range of tan theta is minus infinity to infinity. So इसकी slope की कोई भी value हो सकती है, right? You can never say कि जी हाँ slope हमारी ये आ रही है वो आ रही है. Slope can be any number. Agreed? But the few points here. Slope of x-axis is always slope of x-axis. Slope of x-axis. X-axis, this line. Slope of x-axis or any horizontal line. Any horizontal line or parallel to x-axis. Parallel to x-axis is always 0. Because the line makes angle 0 with this. तो tan 0 क्या हो जाएगा? 0 हो जाएगा. Next again important point. Slope of y-axis. Slope of y-axis. Y-axis means this line. Slope of y-axis or any vertical line. Vertical line. Basic points हैं ध्यान से सुनना. Any vertical line or parallel to y-axis is infinite. Infinite is just a symbol, it's not a number. Infinite means question में जब भी आएगा हम 1/0 लेकर के काम चला देंगे. Infinite means that is not defined. You can say not defined. Not defined because tan 90 is not defined. Infinite. Okay. So these are the few points here. Next, slope of the line. Slope of the line of a line passing through two points A x1 y1 B x2 y2. अगर दो पॉइंट हैं आपके पास तब स्लोप क्या होगी? से दिस इज द लाइन सेगमेंट, इट्स गिवन टू यू. उसका A पॉइंट जो दे दिया गया है दैट इज x1 y1 और दूसरा पॉइंट B जो है दैट इज x2 y2 दे दिया गया. वो कहता है इसकी स्लोप क्या होगी? लेट द परपेंडिकुलर फॉल फ्रॉम हियर इज दिस, perpendicular fall from here is this, perpendicular fall from here is this, this angle theta will be same if I extend it up to here theta, same angle होगा वो. Then tan theta here will be equal to this length upon this length from the previous days you know y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. This is called the length कितनी हो जाएगी? कंप्लीट यहाँ से लेकर के यहाँ तक y2, यहाँ तक कितना है y1, so this much length is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, so slope of a line is this. Slope is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. This is the slope of the line passing through 2 points x1 y1 and x2 y2. Okay ji? Tan theta. Or you can say slope of the line is the difference of the ordinates upon difference of the abscissas. That is called slope. Next on slope now. If I say a counter question on this, okay, the slope of the line passing through the points 2, 3 and 7, 3. I have taken this 3 intentionally. Then slope is m is equal to 3 minus 3, 0 upon 7 minus 2. You can take 3 minus 3 or 2 minus 7, it is immaterial. So this is 0. Okay now? Now if the points are like this, 3, 2 and 3, 7, slope will be 7 minus 2, 5 upon 3 minus 3, 0. Don't say 5 or 0, it will be undefined. Oh, infinity हो जाएगा, undefined. Okay? If the points are like this of any oblique line, मतलब these are the line like this and like this. If the points are like this, A is 2, 3 and the other point is say minus 5, 7. Now the slope is equal to 7 minus 3. You may take 3 minus 7 but जिस भी point को पहले ले रहे हो उसी को पहले लेना. 7 minus 3 upon minus 5 minus 2. This is 4 upon minus 7. This will be minus 4 by 7. This is how you will get the slope. Related to next topic, angle between two lines. Angle between two lines. Angle between two lines. Again say this is the coordinate axis. One is this line, another is this line. Okay ji. Angle between these two is, angle can be this, angle can be this, theta 2, theta 1 plus theta 2 will be 180. Let the slope of this line is this line, मतलब it is inclined at an angle beta here, this is inclined at an angle alpha there, right? इसका मतलब इसकी slope क्या होगी? If I am taking this line as L1, this line as L2, slope of L1 is tan beta, slope of L2 is tan alpha. Say this is M1, this is M2. Then from your trigonometry you know that alpha is equal to theta 1 plus beta. Alpha is equal to theta 1 plus beta. 10th class trigonometry है. So theta 1 is equal to alpha minus beta. Then tan theta 1 is equal to tan alpha minus tan beta upon 1 plus tan alpha tan beta. Put the value of tan alpha and tan beta, that is tan alpha is M2, M2 minus M1 upon 1 plus M1 M2, right? So angle between two lines will be tan theta 1 is equal to M2 minus M1 upon 1 plus M1 M2, right? Since I have asked you कि the angle ये भी हो सकता है, ये भी हो सकता है, so put modulus there. So tan of theta 1 is equal to M2 minus M1 upon 1 plus M1 M2. This is what you call angle between two lines. Always take plus and minus. उसके बाद जैसे भी क्वेश्चन की रिक्वायरमेंट होगी उसके अकॉर्डिंगली आगे चलेंगे हम लोग. हाँ, नेक्स्ट इसी से रिलेटेड है. नेक्स्ट एंगल बिटवीन टू लाइंस दिस. नेक्स्ट लाइंस आर पैरेलल. लाइंस पैरेलल कब हो जाएंगी? मीन्स वन इज दिस लाइन, अनदर इज दिस लाइन. मीन्स जब उनका एंगल बराबर हो जाएगा ये वाला, ओके, ये एंगल बराबर. और यू कैन से जब उनका पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन जो एंगल है वो जीरो होगा, इसका मतलब ये एंगल जीरो, राइट? सो लाइंस आर पैरेलल इफ दिस इज जीरो, दिस जीरो मीन्स दिस बिकम जीरो, मीन्स M1 इज इक्वल टू M2. ओके जी. लाइंस आर परपेंडिकुलर if this thing becomes not defined, means this thing is 0, means M1 plus M2, M1 into M2 plus 1 is equal to 0. या फिर you can say m1 m2 is equal to -1. That means when the product of slopes is equal to -1 or one slope is equal to negative reciprocal of the other, then lines are perpendicular. And when slopes are equal, that means m1 is equal to m2, lines are parallel. So this is very important. स्ट्रेट लाइंस में जो आपका फर्स्ट रिजल्ट है, स्ट्रेट लाइन हैविंग नो डेफिनेशन एट ऑल, स्ट्रेट लाइन में जो फर्स्ट रिजल्ट है आप लोगों का, दैट इज वही से स्लोप पॉइंट फार्मूला. अब ये पूरे का पूरा टॉपिक जो है स्लोप से रिलेटेड रहेगा, स्लोप पॉइंट फार्मूला. ओके जी. से दिस इज योर कोऑर्डिनेट एक्सिस. ये कोई लाइन दे देता है बीच में आपको, वो say he is giving this line making an angle theta here. Theta here means इसकी slope उसने दे दी है आप लोगों को, say m, passing through any point a x1 y1, let any point on the locus be p xy. उसके पूरे locus के ऊपर, मतलब जो भी हमने satisfy करना है p point, उसके ऊपर कोई point ले लो आप xy. This point, if I satisfy this point by making these two as the constant, then that will give you the equation of line. Means y minus y1 upon x minus x1 is equal to m, means y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. This is what you call slope point formula. Okay जी, very important, basic. Next now एक counter question दे रहा हूँ इसके ऊपर. Equation of line, this symbol stand for equation. Equation of line having slope 1 passing through 2 3. So the equation will be y minus 3 is equal to 1 into x minus 2. Simple, just solve it, that will give you the result. Or any other question if I take equation of line passing through 2 3 and 2 minus 3 ले लो, चेंज कर देते हैं, 2 minus 3 and inclined at an angle of 30 degree with positive x axis. Now just find out the slope first. Slope निकालो पहले. Slope m will be tan 30, that is 1 by root 3. Now equation is y plus 3 is equal to 1 by root 3 into x minus 2. Just write it in a proper form, that gives you the result. Next result is 2-point form. 2-point form. Two-point form. That is, if this is given to be the coordinate axis, right जी, कोई straight line है आप लोगों के पास, this passing through 2 points A, x1 y1, B is this x2 y2. Okay, he says find the equation of this line, right? So the equation of line will be, again I am using the point, this is P xy, then y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Again same, y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. चीज वही है, सिर्फ ये है कि जब 2 पॉइंट दिए होंगे हमें स्लोप की तरफ नहीं जाना पड़ेगा. ठीक है, तो अगर 2 पॉइंट दिए हो, लाइन निकाल लेना. A is 2 3 and B is 3 1. Line will be y, कोई एक पॉइंट पहले ले लो, y minus 3 is equal to 1 minus 3 upon 3 minus 2 into x minus 2. So line will be y minus 3 is equal to minus 2 into x minus 2. Line is 2x plus y minus 7 is equal to 0. This will be the result. This is how you can find the equation of line between, equation of a line passing through two different points. This thing. Rest we will continue. Equation of line passing through. Equation of line. This symbol stands for equation. I told you in the previous lecture also. First of all, there was slope point formula. that was y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. I have already discussed. Next, 2-point form, y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 into x minus x1, 2-point form. Next, I am dealing with now slope intercept form. Next now is slope intercept form. Intercept form. This is the coordinate axis. Equation of line passing through a given point, slope intercept, no point, slope is given to you, inclination is theta, say slope is equal to m, the intercept on y axis is say c, then this point can be taken as 0 c, okay, then you can again use y minus c is equal to m into x minus 0. So y is equal to mx plus c is the slope intercept form. You can use it directly when the intercept on y axis is given to you. Okay. For a counter example, say equation of line inclined at 30 degree to x axis and making an intercept of minus 3 units on y axis. You can use it straight way. M हमारे पास आ जाएगा tan 30 means 1 by root 3, y is equal to 1 by root 3x minus 3. This is the answer here. Okay. Next now is intercept form. Next is intercept form. इंटरसेप्ट फॉर्म में है कि इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन मेकिंग इंटरसेप्ट्स a on x axis, a this much distance is a on x axis and b on y axis. Equation of line making intercept a on x axis and b on y axis. The equation will be x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 1. You can prove it again taking the point, this is to be a0 and this is to be 0b. You can use now any result. This will be the line here. Now the counter question on this is equation of line making intercepts 2 and 3 on x axis and y axis respectively. Okay, the equation will be x upon 2 plus y upon 3 is equal to 1. Then you can translate it by multiplying with the LCM here 6, 3x plus 2y is equal to 6. This will be the equation of a line making intercept 2 on x axis, this much distance will be 2, 3 on y axis. Another example I am taking for this is an important form. Equation of line passing through 1 1 and making a triangle of area 1 square units with coordinate axis. Find the equation of line passing through the point 1 1 and making a triangle of area 2. यहाँ 2 कर लो, 1 से नहीं बात बनेगी. 2 square units on the x axis means the line is passing through the point 1 1 now. और ये जो एरिया है आप लोगों का this much, this whole is that is of 2 square units. For that I will take intercept on x axis to be a and intercept on y-axis to be b, then the line will be x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 1. इंटरसेप्ट फॉर्म में कि ये लाइन a इंटरसेप्ट यहाँ बना रही है, b इंटरसेप्ट वहाँ बना रही है, पासिंग थ्रू 1 1 1 1, so 1 upon a plus 1 upon b is equal to 1 means a plus b is equal to a b आ जाएगा यहाँ से आपके पास. Further he says area, if this much is a, this much is b, you very well know area of triangle is half base into altitude, then half AB is equal to 2, then AB comes out to be 4 here. Okay. You have two equations in A and B, A plus B is equal to AB, AB is equal to 4, A plus B is equal to 4, AB is equal to 4 now. You are having two numbers whose sum is 4 and multiplication is 4. So the numbers will be a is equal to b is equal to 4 here. So line is x upon a is equal to b is equal to 2 here. So line is x upon 2 plus y upon 2 is equal to 1. Means x plus y is equal to 2 is the line. एक बार फिर से चेक कर लेना कि 1 1 उसको सेटिस्फाई करना चाहिए. एक और क्वेश्चन इसके ऊपर ही ले रहा हूँ मैं. Equation of line passing through the point, equation of line passing through the point, equation of line passing through the point 5 7 and the intercept between the axis is divided at this point in the ratio 2:3. Find the equation of line passing through the point 5 7 and the intercept between the axis is divided at this point in the ratio 2:3. Let me draw the diagram once again. Say this is your coordinate axis. ये line है अब आपके पास. This is the point here, say 5 7. Intercept on x-axis to be taken as a, intercept on y-axis to be taken as b. So line in intercept form becomes, line is x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 1. Okay. Now my main aim is to find out the value of a and b both. Passing through 5 7, this point will be a0, this point will be 0b. This point divide the segment, this much segment in the ratio 2:3. So take it 2 and this is 3, 2:3. Here is a technical point. यहाँ 2:3 इस तरीके से लेना. From x-axis to y-axis, never take from this to this. That will be wrong. वो आपको गलत आंसर देगा. और जब भी आप AIEEE में जाओगे, if this is the question, तो वो जो 2:3 से लिया हुआ है उससे आपका जो एक चॉइस है वो बनाई हुई होगी वहाँ पे. So now use the simple section formula, means thrice of a plus 2 into 0 upon 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. And for the ordinate 3 into 0, 0 plus 2 into b, twice of b upon 5 should be equal to the ordinate here 7. From here you are getting a is equal to 25/3 and b is equal to 35/2. So line comes out to be, यहाँ a और b को replace करो. So line is x upon 25, 3 here plus twice of y upon 35 is equal to 1. Rest you can solve by taking the LCM and all that. This is the way. One more question I am taking on this. Again find the equation of line. Find the equation of line passing through the point. Point कोई ले लो आप 2 3 से 2 3 and making intercepts equal, making intercepts equal in magnitude, but opposite in sign, on coordinate axis, अब क्या है कि yours line is this, line is passing through the point 2 3, yours line making an intercept equal in magnitude but opposite in sign on the coordinate axis, means line will be somewhere here, means equal in magnitude, अगर ये a है तो ये भी a है, but opposite in sign minus a, यहाँ line नहीं बन सकती, this will be the line again minus a is positive then a is negative. So line can be taken as x upon a minus y upon a is equal to 1, passing through 2 3, 2 3 यहाँ replace करो, 2 upon a minus 3 upon a is equal to 1, that means minus 1 upon a is equal to 1, a is equal to 1. So line is x upon 1, y upon 1 is equal to 1. This is the equation of line. Okay, you can do it this way. Just a minute. Equation of line equal in intercepts passing through 2 3 minus 1, a comes out to be minus 1, I am sorry. So this will be minus x plus y is equal to 1. This is the line. Right now next करते हैं अब next form line की, that is a normal form. Next have normal form. Normal form, though rarely used, but you have to cover it. Now the क्या है क्या इसमें, equation of line whose length of perpendicular from origin is P and it makes an angle omega. You may take the letter omega or alpha or beta, but generally they are using omega with x-axis. Means this way. This is the coordinate axis. This is the line which you have to determine. Its length of perpendicular from origin is of length p. It is making an angle omega here. Okay, omega. Now you can make it like this. This angle is omega, this is 90, this will be 90 plus omega, right, 90 plus omega, then the slope will be m is equal to tan of 90 plus omega means minus cot omega, and this point will be taken as p, this much is x, this much is y, p cos omega and p sin omega. Again using the slope point formula, the equation will be x cos omega plus y sin omega is equal to p. Here p is considered with the length perpendicular from origin. In all cases you must make it positive here. Negative वगैरह इधर सेट करना है आप लोगों ने. एक काउंटर क्वेश्चन इसके ऊपर ले रहा हूँ. Find the equation of line whose length of perpendicular from origin is of units 3, length of perpendicular is 3 and perpendicular inclined at an angle of 30 degree with x-axis. So answer is straightway x cos 30 plus y sin 30 is equal to 3. This will be the answer here. Rest you can put the values x √3/2 plus y1/2 is equal to 3. √3x plus y is equal to 6. This is how you can develop it. If you have to change the equation into the normal form, then divide it throughout by under root of मतलब अगर आपके पास इक्वेशन ये हो ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, you have to change it into the normal form, then divide whole of the equation by under root of a square plus b square, then find out the angle omega, put it there, make it positive. That way you can transfer the equation into normal form. Next form is symmetric form. Symmetric form, again not widely used. Symmetric form. Symmetric form. This is the coordinate axis. Say this is the equation this is the line whose equation is to be found out. Let this is the point here given to you A x1 y1. Let any point on locus is P xy. This much distance is R, generally used to find out this point at a distance, particular distance. Let the perpendicular fall from here is this, from here is this, here is this. This angle is theta, that means its slope is theta, वही angle यहाँ बनेगा. Equation will be x minus x1 upon cos theta, y minus y1 upon sin theta is equal to plus minus r. Plus minus is taken, the point you can take at the equal distance here as well as there. वो point इस तरीके से find किया जा सकता है. Okay जी. So these are the equation of lines. इसके ऊपर question लेंगे, booklet में है आपके. These are the equations of line. So equation of lines are over. Now let us take few questions from your booklet. I am giving you the question. हाँ लिखो. Find the equation of line. Find the equation of line it's better if you write this question. Find the midpoints of the sides of triangle are midpoints of sides of triangle are midpoints of sides of triangle are 2 1 2 1 minus 5 7 minus 5 7 sorry and minus 5 minus 5. Find the equations of the sides. Find the equations of the sides. Say this is a triangle A, B, C. उसने आपको midpoint of the sides of triangle दे दिया है 2 1. Say this is 2 1. This is minus 5 7. And this is minus 5 minus 5. वो कह रहे हैं इन साइड्स की इक्वेशन निकालो, यानी कि मेरे को AB की इक्वेशन चाहिए, AC की इक्वेशन चाहिए, BC की इक्वेशन चाहिए. अब कीप दिस थिंग इन योर माइंड कि इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन निकालने के लिए आप लोगों को दो पैरामीटर चाहिए. क्या पैरामीटर चाहिए? वन इज स्लोप, अदर इज पॉइंट. अगर ये दो चीजें हमारे पास हैं देन वी आर डन. ओके जी. नाउ पॉइंट्स आप लोगों के पास हैं. यू आर नॉट सपोज टू फाइंड आउट द वर्सेस बाय मेकिंग एवरीथिंग. वो निकालने की जरूरत नहीं है. मैं इनको नाम दे रहा हूँ. से दिस इज डी ई एफ. In your previous classes up to 10th class you have studied the line joining the midpoints is parallel to third side. Line joining the midpoints is parallel to third side. So अगर वो parallel है, I have just told you in the previous day that parallel lines have the same slope. Okay. So slope of BC will be equal to slope of FE is equal to slope, I told you last time, y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, 7 minus 1 upon minus 5 minus 2. This is 6 upon minus 7. Slope आपके पास आ गया, point आपके पास है. So equation of BC will be y plus 5 is equal to minus 6 by 7 into x plus 5. So this is 7y plus 35 is equal to minus 6x minus 30. So line is 6x plus 7y plus 65 is equal to 0. इस तरीके से आप इक्वेशन बना सकते हैं. ओके, समटाइम यू विल कम अक्रॉस सच ए सिचुएशन. मैं ये निकाल के बता रहा हूँ तुम्हें नेक्स्ट. उसमें एक टेक्निकल पॉइंट आपके आएगा. इक्वेशन ऑफ, let us find out the equation of AB. Equation of AB. Again, line joining the midpoint is parallel to third side. So जो slope DE की होगी वही slope आपके पास AB की हो जाएगी. So slope of AB is equal to slope of ED is equal to 7 minus 5, यानी कि 7 माइनस ऑफ माइनस 7 प्लस 5 हो जाएगा अपॉन माइनस 5 माइनस ऑफ माइनस 5 माइनस 5 माइनस ऑफ माइनस 5, ये आपके सारा 12 अपॉन 0. इसको देख के घबरा नहीं जाना कि 12 अपॉन 0 आ गया, 0.12 आ गया. डोंट टेक इट 0, दिस इज इनफाइनाइट मीन्स इन्फिनिटी. मीन जब भी इन्फिनिटी होगा लाइन विल बी पैरेलल टू y एक्सिस. y एक्सिस के पैरेलल वो लाइन होगी. सो इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन विल बी, उसको एज इट इज लेना, एज इट इज ले लेना, उसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगी. सो इक्वेशन विल बी पैरेलल टू y एक्सिस मीन्स ऑफ द फॉर्म y plus k is equal to 0. Sorry, x plus k is equal to 0. Now it is passing through this point 2 1, passing through 2 2 2 1. So you can replace it by 2 plus k is equal to 0. So k is equal to minus 2. So line is x minus 2 is equal to 0. This will be the equation of line. Rest you can find it easy. ये वो आसान है. ये here there is a technical point. जब भी इस तरीके से आ जाए 12.0, 12.0 means infinite. Infinity का मतलब क्या है कि line is parallel to x axis. वो x axis के parallel है. Then equation will be x is equal to something. या x plus k is equal to something. Then put that point there and get the equation. If the slope is 0, if you somewhere you got the slope 0, then slope 0 line will be equal to y is equal to something, y plus k is equal to 0 आप ले सकते हैं और point वहाँ पे replace कर देना. Next now here you have seen, here you have founded the equation of lines by the different things. Now the next topic will be if you are having the equation of line in a general form, can you find out these things? Now let us deal with that. Let line is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Okay, this way. Let the line is this ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. अगर आपका वो पॉइंट है, स्लोप है, इंटरसेप्ट्स हैं x एक्सिस का या y एक्सिस का, you can find the equation of line. Now how you will find out all those things using this line? For x intercept put y is equal to 0. तो अगर ये इक्वेशन आप लोगों की, इसमें मैं y की वैल्यू 0 रिप्लेस करता हूँ तो ये पॉइंट आपके पास क्या आने वाला है? से आई एम मार्किंग इट a माइनस सी अपॉन a कॉमा 0. ओके जी. In the same way for y intercept put x is equal to 0. उसको x की वैल्यू 0 पुट कर दो वहाँ पे, तो ये पॉइंट आपके पास क्या आ जाएगा? b is 0 माइनस c अपॉन b. So you are having 2 points on a line. One is a, other is b. Okay. Or you can say intercept on x axis will be now c upon a. Intercept always taken to be positive, negative sign shows के that side. And minus c upon b means length of intercept is c upon b minus shows in the below segment. Okay. अगर technically उसको properly draw करूँ तो it should be like this. दोनों ही negative हैं, x का भी negative, y का भी negative. So this will be the line in this form. Okay. Next point आ गए आप लोगों के पास. इंटरसेप्ट्स आ गए आप लोगों के पास. स्लोप क्या बन जाएगी आपके पास? y2 माइनस y1 माइनस c अपॉन b minus 0 upon 0 minus this thing means C upon A means minus A upon B. This will be the slope. So जब भी आप लोगों के पास इक्वेशन इस तरीके से दी हुई हो तो उसकी स्लोप क्या बन जाएगी, माइनस ए अपॉन बी, राइट. इंटरसेप्ट क्या बन जाएगा एक्स एक्सिस के ऊपर, माइनस सी अपॉन ए, नेगेटिव साइन आई हैव टोल्ड यू क्या शो कर रहा है, सी अपॉन बी इज द दिस. एक काउंटर क्वेश्चन लेते हैं इसी के ऊपर जरा. केस इफ द लाइन इज गिवन टू बी 3x minus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay ji. Point can be found out. Point on x-axis is, on x-axis is by putting y is equal to 0 means minus 1 upon 3 comma 0. Point on y-axis is, y-axis by putting x is equal to 0 means 0 and half, right. Intercept on x-axis is 1 by 3 in the negative direction of x-axis. Intercept on y-axis will be half. तो अगर सिंपली मेरे को कोई स्केच करने के लिए कहे लाइन, I will do it like this. This is x-axis is minus 1 by 3. Say this is 1, so minus 1 by 3 will be here, and 1 by 2 will be, say this is 1 by 2 will be here. So this will be the line. Okay, you can sketch the line easily. Slope you can say straightway. Slope is equal to 3 by 2 minus coefficient of this upon this, that will give you the slope. This is how you can find out these things from here. Now next, we have previously discussed that the parallel lines have same slope. So you can make a quick result from here that any line parallel to ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is ax plus by plus k is equal to 0. If you wish to use it, you can, otherwise you can use the slope point formula. Next, any line perpendicular to ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is, interchange it, bx minus ay plus k is equal to 0. Okay जी, कोफिशिएंट्स को इंटरचेंज करो, बीच का साइन चेंज करो, दैट विल गिव यू वाई. सो इसकी स्लोप आपके पास क्या है, माइनस ए अपॉन बी. इसकी स्लोप क्या है, माइनस ए अपॉन बी, दे विल बी इक्वल. इसकी स्लोप क्या है, माइनस ए अपॉन बी. इसकी स्लोप क्या आ रही है आपका, बी अपॉन ए मल्टीप्लाई करके माइनस 1, क्योंकि परपेंडिकुलर लाइंस का जो स्लोप है वो ए मल्टीप्लीकेशन करके माइनस 1 आता है. ओके, नाउ आई एम टेकिंग ए क्वेश्चन, स्टेट क्वेश्चन ऑन दिस. Find the equation of line parallel to 3x minus 2y plus 2 is equal to 0 and passing through 2, 3 say. It's okay. 3 to the 2 to the 6 minus, yes, 2, 3. Now the method will be, required line is 3x minus 2y plus k is equal to 0. As I told you just कि any line parallel क्या हो जाएगी, ax plus by plus k is equal to 0. Passing through 2, 3. So this will be 6 minus 6 plus k is equal to 0. Means k is equal to 0. Okay, so line is 3x minus 2y is equal to 0. This is the required line. Okay, now you can use other method also. Slope is equal to 3 by 2. Point आपके पास है 2, 3. So line is y minus 3 is equal to 3 by 2 into x minus 2. So this is 2y minus 6 is equal to 3x minus 6. Okay, 6 gets cancelled. So 3x minus 2y is equal to 0. Now it's your choice or your ability to solve the question, which method you adopt. Both are easily acceptable. Next, एक और क्वेश्चन ले रहा हूँ इसी के ऊपर. Equation of line perpendicular to कोई लाइन ले लो यहाँ पे, से 5x minus 2y plus 3 is equal to 0. Say the point will be same 1 3 या चेंज कर देते हैं 1 3 बना देते हैं उसको, राइट. हाँ, स्लोप इज now any line perpendicular to 5x minus 2y plus 3 is equal to 0 is, माइनस को इधर लेके आओ, माइनस 2x 5y, बीच का साइन चेंज करते हैं माइनस 5y प्लस k is equal to 0. This will be the line. Okay, passing through 1 3, passing through 1 3, 1 3 यहाँ रिप्लेस करो, माइनस 2 माइनस 15 प्लस k is equal to 0. So k is equal to 17. So line is minus 2x minus 5y plus 17 is equal to 0, or 2x plus 5y minus 17 is equal to 0. This is the way, but I prefer the other method. Slope is equal to 5 by 2, slope of required line minus 2 by 5. So line is simple, y minus 3 minus 2 by 5 into x minus 1. So this will be 5y minus 15 is equal to minus 2x plus 2, यानी कि 2x plus 5y minus 17 is equal to 0. I prefer this method because here you get confused here के negative बनाएं positive बनाएं. Okay जी. Next now your lines are over. Few basic question on this I am taking. Question is, the sides of a triangle, a rectangle has two opposite vertices. A rectangle has two opposite vertices. Opposite vertices as 1 2 and 5 5 and 5 5. Other vertices lie on x is equal to 3. Find the other vertices. Find the other vertices. Very nice question. He says a rectangle has two opposite vertices as 1 2 and 5 5. Other vertices lie on x is equal to 3. Then find the other vertices. Okay, let us begin with, this is your coordinate axis. X is equal to 3. X is equal to 3 will be this 1 2 3. अगर ये कोऑर्डिनेट छोटे हों, लाइन सिंपल हो, स्केच करने में कोई बुराई नहीं है क्योंकि उससे क्वेश्चन विजुलाइज प्रॉपरली हो जाता है. 1 2 is here, 1 2, 1 2 is here, 5 5 3 4 5 3 4 5. This is approximate point 5 5. Okay, now the rectangle will be like this. This way. ये दो वर्टिसेस आपके पास हैं 1 2 and 5 5. ये हमें निकालने हैं. They are lying on the line x is equal to 3. तो obviously ये पॉइंट क्या बन जाएगा आपका? I am taking 3y1. This point will be 3y2. Right? Now since this is the rectangle, so this length will be equal to this length. Okay जी? This length will be equal to this length. So y2 minus, first of all find out the distance AB. AB निकाल लो पहले, क्या आ रहा है? AB comes out to be 5 minus 1 4 16 plus 5 minus 2 3 square 9. So ultimately it is 5. So you can say that y2 minus y1 is equal to 5. एक equation. Next, being the parallelogram, मिड पॉइंट कोइंसाइड करेगा. मिड पॉइंट इसका क्या आ रहा है 5 प्लस 1, मैं उसको m का नाम दे रहा हूँ. m इज मिड पॉइंट उसका आ रहा है 3 and 7/2. ओके जी, इधर मिड पॉइंट 3 कोइंसाइड हो गया. तो दूसरा ऑर्डिनेट अगर हम करें y1 प्लस y2 अपॉन 2 शुड बी इक्वल टू 7/2. means y1 plus y2 is equal to 7. You are having two equation, one is this and the other is this. So that way you get this point. अगर हम उसको सॉल्व करते हैं, y2 minus y1 is equal to 5, y2 plus y1 is equal to 7, this 2 y2 is equal to 12, y2 is equal to 6. तो एक वर्टेक्स आपका आ गया, D is 3 and 6 और B क्या आ जाएगा, B will be 3 and 1. So this is how you can find out the vertices. If some way he asks you find out the equations of the sides also, तो equations आप निकाल देना. Okay now?